Hi, and welcome to your second tutorial on how to use the task dialog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a custom button to your task dialog. So let's get started. We have to create a object of the task dialog button class. So let's go ahead and create that. So we go task dialog button. We'll just name it task tdb equals to new task dialog button. And in the first input for this for the constructor of the task dialog button is a name. We'll just name it btn custom. Okay. And the second input is what the user will see written on the button, so it's caption or text or whatever. We'll just name it a custom button. And now to actually add the button to our task dialog, in my case it's td.controls. Controls.add, and the name of our button, so it'll be tdb in my case. And now if you run this, you'll actually see that you have a custom button there, but it's not doing anything right now. Okay, let's fix that. So when we click on our task dialog, our custom button, we want the program to do something, so we're going to have to add a click event handler to our task dialog button. So go td task dialog button dot click plus equals to, and press tab twice to create a new event handler. And we're going to have to cast the sender as a task dialog button, so we'll go task dialog button. We'll just name it the same, so tdb equals to brackets task dialog button brackets and sender. Okay, and now we want to get the name of the hosting task dialog. In this case it's td, but td is a local variable in this event handler here, so we can't access it down here. To access it, we have to use a internal method called hosting dialog. And by the way, we're going to create an instance of a task dialog down here as well. So task dialog, and it will be tdb.hosting dialog. And when we click the button, we want a close the task dialog, so it'll be .close with the dialog result task dialog result of let's say okay. Alright, now when you run it now, when you press this button, you'll close the dialog. But now to capture which button the user pressed, so we'll go if tdr equals to task dialog result dot ok. This is just a little trick because using the task dialog result dot custom button pressed is really hard. So instead, when they press the button, we're going to send a OK result back. So this will equal to OK when the user presses this button, and we'll just say message box dot show, and we'll say a custom button. Yeah. And now when we run this, if you press that, it'll show that message box. To show you that this actually works and I'm not tricking you somehow, we'll add a second button, and we'll name this one. We'll just copy this over. We'll just add one on the end of that. Get rid of this. We'll just change the name, and yeah, I guess that will work. Now run this application again, and as you can see now we have two custom buttons. When we press that, nothing happens, but when we press the first button, it shows the message box. Right, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.